You never know how much time you have with your children.
Ramos Law Group PLLC. Choose the firm that chooses you.
I do want to share a really sad case. A lot of times the saddest cases to me are those where children are actually negatively impacted by the divorce process. In this particular case, the husband didn't come and hire me until his son was actually graduating from high school. They actually got divorced when their son was 3 and their daughter was 1, and kept going back and forth to court all the time to fight every year just on this issue or that. They even went up on appeal. It was horrible. They just never got along. And a lot of times the son was actually the buffer in between them. And he would communicate between the parents because they could not communicate with each other. This dad came to me when his son is now graduating from high school. His son actually got a nice full ride scholarship to Rice University and a partial scholarship to UT at Austin. He was kind of contemplating, where do I go? He didn't have those discussions with his parents at graduation because they both, of course, sat separately at the graduation, and then they both had 2 separate graduation parties. They couldn't even sit in the same room together to enjoy and celebrate their son's achievements. The son finally sat them down individually and just told them, you know, you've ruined my childhood. I don't want to see you, either one of you. In fact, I'm not going to stay here and go to Rice. I'm going to move to Austin. I've already discussed it with my sister. She's going to move up there after she's done because she's now about to start her senior year of high school. We've got an apartment ready. I just need to get away from you as far as I can because I don't want to have that negativity in my life. And the only reason why I'm telling you this, Mom and Dad, of course separately, is because I have to leave my sister here. And it's her senior year. I've always been the buffer. Now I need to leave her here. And I don't want y'all to do to her what y'all did to me throughout my childhood. Don't do it to her, okay? I've been pretty much her protective parent so far. I hate you both. I'm leaving. The son packed up his entire life and moved to Austin. And he was killed in a car accident on the way there. You never know how much time you have with your children, and focusing on the wrong things or fighting with each other as opposed to sharing your time with that child is a tragedy. Always focus on what's best for your children, not on fighting with that other parent, because you never know how long you're going to be here, how long any of us are going to be here. You have to take advantage of the time we're given. Discuss those options, all of those horrible things and all those feelings that you have against the other spouse or regarding the situation. Discuss them with your family law attorney in your area so that you can make the right decisions where your children are concerned.